Singer Ariana Grande wins her first Grammy for Best Pop Vocal Album for her fourth studio album, Sweetener. Grande's Grammy comes after 6 career nominations, but the star was notably absent from this year's gala. Grande slammed the ceremony's producer days before the event for lying about her decision not to perform on music's biggest night. Producer Ken Ulrich told US media that Grande felt it was too late for her to pull something together. Grande expresses her thanks in a tweet. "I know I'm not there tonight. Trust, I tried and still truly wished it had worked out, to be honest. And I know I said I try not to pull too much weight into these things, but this is wild and beautiful. Thank you so much." Meanwhile, Golden Hour by Casey Musgraves wins the Album of the Year. Other winners include This Is America by Childish Gambino for Song of the Year and Best Music Video. Dua Lipa wins as the Best New Artist, and Invasion of Privacy by Cardi B for Best Rap Album.